Hello guys, ayan, good morning. Hello guys, ayan, good morning, good morning. So, ayan. So, 'di ba, gumawa tayo ng salad kanina. Ayan. I make a salad. So, let's eat guys. So, this is my breakfast for today. Salad, yeah. So, we have lettuce here and then apple. I put apple and then blueberries. We have a blueberries and then we have a strawberry here, guys. Yeah, so very nice. Yep. Because we eat a healthy, right? So salad. I have my salad in the morning. Yeah, apple. Very delicious. And I have also my banana. Perfect. And then we have also a strawberry here. This one, strawberry. Tapos meron tayong blueberries, guys. Yan. Isa-isahin natin kung ano bang kinakain natin dito. Yan. At meron tayong cucumber. Delicious for our breakfast, guys. And then we put a lettuce here. Yeah. Lettuce and apple. So yummy. And we have spinach also here. Very delicious. And we have pork here. Look. See? So yummy our breakfast, right? Very yummy. So yummy. I like it. Napaano ko to, parang nalutong siya. Ayan. Parang tumitigas siya. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng what is this? Barbecue sauce. Ayan. Maglagay tayo ng barbecue sauce, guys, kasi napakasarap kaya paglagyan natin ng barbecue sauce. Ayan. So yummy, right? So this is rice, no sugar added. Ayan. O, meron tayong barbecue sauce. Yan, sa pork natin. So, sarap kaya, guys, no? Pag ito yung healthy kaya pag kakain tayo ng salad. Natigasan ko talaga, guys. Yan, tumitigas siya, pero masarap. Ayan. Masarap. Perfect. At meron tayong ganito. Really perfect talaga. Sarap naman. That's it, guys. Sarap ng breakfast mo, no, pag ganito. Tapos may coffee tayo, guys. Napakasarap talaga. So, ito lang talaga ako dito, guys. Ayan, kumakain. Kasi, nag-laundry kasi ako dito sa I laundry there in the basement. And then ginugutom ako, guys. Sabi ko, kain kaya ako. Because earlier today, what is that? I toast a bread, guys. That's what I'm gonna do in the morning. I toast bread. Napakatigas kaya, guys. Gamitin kaya natin yan. Parang nandoon tayo sa Pinas. Tumitigas. Nangyari. I need to hit this, guys. Yeah. Hit natin. Para hindi siya tumigas. Let's eat, guys. Let's drink coffee. Yan. Ay, dagdagan natin ng sugar, guys, kasi masarap yung ano, maka-feel tayo na may sugar talaga yung coffee natin. Lagyan natin ng sugar, guys. Ayan. Gusto ko talaga ng yung maano ko talaga yung coffee ko, guys. Meron tayo dito ng meron tayong stevia, guys. Ayan. Napaka-safe kaya ito yung napaka-safe yung stevia. Yeah, like one pure, no aftertaste powder. So it's made an organic, guys. Just napaka talaga dito. Pero napaka-sweet naman. So gusto ko talaga yung sugar sa atin. Yung brown sugar. Tingnan ko na yun. Ito siya Yan. Yan. Ang init naman. Wait. Napaka-sobrang luto na talaga siya, guys. Ayan. Oops. Init talaga. Yan. Parang hindi na siya matigas. Ay, masyadong matigas. Yan. So yummy. Very delicious. I like it. So yummy talaga pag yung salad yung breakfast mo. Tastes so good. Sarap, guys, nilagyan natin ng dressing, no? Sarap ng dressing salad. Pero may blueberries. Sarap. Napakasarap talaga. Ito yung napaka-healthy, guys, no, na salad. Tapos meron tayong yogurt pagkatapos. Ayan. Kainan tayo ng healthy foods, guys. Ayan. Hindi tayo pwedeng magutom dito. Ito yung ginagawa natin kasi mag-isa lang tayo dito. Mag-isa lang. Tapos, ayan. Ito yung makikita mo. Tingnan nyo, guys. Kung makikita nyo dyan. Ayan. Yan, habang ako ay nagko-coffee. Ayan, ito yung makikita ko sa backyard ko. Right? Habang tayo ay nagko-coffee, ito yung makikita natin dyan. Diba? Pero, tingnan ko kayo, guys. Ayan. Pinto na lang muna tayo. Ayan. Yan yung makikita natin dyan pag mag-coffee tayo. Makakita tayo ng mga deer dyan, guys. Ayan. Sus, dumadaan dyan. Yeah. Deer. Dami rabbit. Merong rabbit din dyan. Yan. Galing. Wow. Like wild animals. We can see wild animals here in my backyard. So nice. Deer, rabbits, what else? Maraming talagang dyan, makikita. Habang tayo ay magko-coffee. Yeah. In the morning, but now, no. No deer for now. Ito lang talaga buhay natin sa Minnesota, guys. Yan. Cleaning the house. Launder the clothes. And after, make videos. Yeah, do something that, you know, you need to be, not to be bored. Enjoy lang, guys, talaga. Dapat mag-enjoy lang. Enjoy lang natin yung buhay natin dito. Life is too short not to be happy and to enjoy, right? So we need to be happy, all of us, guys. We deserve it. Yes. Me, I deserve to be happy and to enjoy my life. It's because just my 2 children, they're already grown up na, guys. And just, yan, nandoon sila sa Pilipinas. Hindi naman talaga ako masyadong yung talagang maboboard kasi tawag kami ng tawag ng mga anak ko. Yan ang pinaka-importante. Yeah. Sarap. Sarap talaga. Let's eat! Yan, kwento ko lang sa inyo yung ano talaga ang buhay ko dito. Yeah. Kumakain, naglalaba, I eat, I laundry, I clean the house, and I go out to buy something for the needs in the house, for the needs of the, to put in the fridge, yeah, and the daily needs, like that. Ganyan lang talaga, guys. Wala tayong trabaho dito eh. Kain lang tayo ng kain dito. Tingnan nyo. Malapit ko na maubos. Wow. Yan, galing ko. Very delicious, guys. Ewan ko ba bakit parang nalutong to. Sarap. Sarap talaga. Well, kain tayo nito. Yan. Ano naman, parang hindi ko na maubos yan. Ito yung kakainin natin, guys. Shake natin yung natin yogurt, guys. Yan. Kasi Greek yogurt strawberry ito, guys. Yan. Ito yung flavor niya. Strawberry. Ayan. Sarap kaya nito, guys. Sarap. Palagi akong kumakain everyday ng yogurt dito, guys. Alam niyo. Sarap kasi pag may yogurt. Ito lang talagang magawa natin, guys. Kumakain. Naglalaba. Nag-cleaning ng house. Ayan. Kasi wala tayong trabaho. Wala tayong trabaho dito, guys. Tambay na tayo dito. Ayan. Pero hindi pwedeng hindi tayo kumain. Dapat kakain tayo dito, guys. Kasi pahirap na pag hindi tayo kumain. Malayo tayo malayo ako sa mga anak ko. Hindi talaga ako pwedeng hindi ako kakain, guys. Dapat magiging healthy ako dito. It's nice to be healthy, guys, than to be sick here. Because what happened? Just too much the hospital, guys. The bills of the hospital. My God. I don't want to be sick. So, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos today. So, this is my breakfast for today. So, thank you and have a good day. I need to finish what I eat here. So, just simple lang, guys, to show you what I'm doing here every day in my life. Yeah. So, this is Ellie, your Ellie Beauty Bloggers in the Philippines. And for now, as I'm here in the Minnesota, I'll make you videos every day in my life here, guys. So, thank you and goodbye and have a good day. But good day here and good night to you there, guys. Philippines, Minnesota, wherever wherever I go, I can make you video, guys. So subscribe me, hoping you subscribe me, my YouTube channel, Ellie Betty for my YouTube, and subscribe me and like and leave a comment. Thank you, guys.